This story was requested by Cade. Volcano Blast by Ace Landers. Illustrated by Dave White. Read by Miss Laura. Welcome to Volcano Island. The cars will race inside the volcano. The finish line is at the top. The ground begins to shake. The race begins. The cars drive at full speed. The race is tight. The cars hit the ramp and launch into the air. Some cars do not make it into the cave. The green car lands first. Watch out for the pool of lava. The lava is rising. The racecourse is steep. Rocks fall on the road. The yellow car gets hit. The lava leaps into the air. It can destroy the cars. The race cars are burning rubber. Lava is getting close. The blue dune buggy is trapped. It is out of the race. Other cars are gaining on the green car. The red car hits the green car. The red car breaks free. It is hard to see the finish line. There is too much smoke. The volcano erupts. The cars fly into the air. Who will win? The green car wins. What a blast. The end.